Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have explored that what we are going to build in this course, right? So basically we are going to build that application in this course, and I'm going to now first install the Vue.js in our system, and then we are going to build our Vue.js application. So if you want to install the Vue.js, first you need to run this command npm install -g. So this will install the Vue.js globally. But if you are coming from the different world like HTML, CSS, so this npm is not installed into your system. So how you can install that? So you need to go here and install the Node.js. Search Node.js, and whatever the operating system you are using, you need to click on this install Node.js, and then you can download Windows or whatever your operating system, you can choose it from here, and then you can install it, right? So I have already installed it. It's pretty much identical. Just download that, click on this install, and this will be installed. And if you want to check that that is installed or not, so you can run this command node-v. So this will show you the version, which version of what's the version of your Node.js. Or if you want to check that npm-v, so it will also show you your npm version. So in this way you can check that your npm is installed or not. So whenever you will run this npm-v, if it's not installed, it will say throw error like npm is not an internal or external command, something like this. So it means your npm is not installed, so you need to install the Node.js. So this will be installed automatically, but make sure whenever you are installing the Node.js, and if you have opened the cmd, just close your cmd and then reopen it, and then you can use the npm. Okay, so this one is our first command. Just copy that and go to your VS Code, and here not VS Code, you go to your terminal and paste it and click on this enter. So it will basically install the install the Vue.js into your system, right? And for future projects you don't need to install it every time. It's just one time you need to install it, and then you can build your Vue.js applications. Okay, in my case it's already installed, so I'm pausing this process, and then I'm coming to the next step. Install the Vue.js. Okay, you need to install this Vue.js extension if you want to do, right? So let's go here and Vue.js. You can also install the Vue dev tool extension too, but this Vue.js extension help you to write the give you the code suggestion and so on. Okay, extension, okay, Chrome store and so on. Vue.js dev tool, you can also download this, so this will help you when you will open your this tool. It will show you here. So I'm going to click on this add. So this will be used for debugging purposes. Okay, so by using this command line, I'm going to now install the Vue 2. So the command is very identical: Vue create, and then you need to mention your application name. In this case I'm building the music app, so I mentioned the my music app. So this will create the Vue.js 2 application for mine. So it's showing us that do you want to install the Vue 3 or Vue 2. So I'll just choose this Vue 2, hit enter. So this will install the Vue.js 2, not the 3. Make sure you need to install the Vue 2 because we will cover the option API. Okay, our Vue.js application installed successfully, right? And you can see this, it's asking us to switch into that project and then run npm serve. So here I'm going to say that cd my music app, right? And then here I can run the npm serve, but before that I want to open that code into my VS Code, right? And yes, it's opening that, and I'm going to here run npm run serve to basically run that application. and it's starting the server. That's great, and let's wait for few moments. Okay, it's almost done. Going to load that. Okay, it's loading that, and if you click on that, you can click off any of the link, and then this will open that Vue.js application there. And yes, you can see this. Welcome to the Vue.js app. You can see this, we are successfully open to basically able to create our first Vue.js application. And if I open here my VS Code, just click on this, go back because I have installed the augment back, so it will open your Vue.js application. Oh my god, let me turn this on and open it again here, and I'm going to run this serve, and here this one is my application, and this is running through this one public HTML, and then our main component is rendering this app, which contains this hello world component, which is responsible for overall that thing. Let me change something, and then this will be reflected. Just click on that. Okay, for a guide, install CLI plugin, install Vue plugin, just save that and go here and check that CLI plugin. But this one is now saved, and yes, you can see this instantly changed. If I go and remove that Vue plugins from here, so you can see this, it's removed instantly with hot page loading, right? So by using this app, we will build our music application. So this contain more node modules which contain our packages and a lot of files. This public contain our public HTML where our application is loading. This one is the app instances where it's loading, and then fav icon which is a Vue.js icon. Then source file contain all of our assets, our component and JS. Okay, and then these are the label, readme file, babel, package, .json, and so on. These are required to basically maintain the version of our application. So this is git ignore, which is when we are pushing our code to the GitHub, so this will be used. So in this way you can install your first Vue.js application, and then we are good to build our next music app. So in the next video I'm going to basically build that Vue.js application. So let's stay connected and watch the next video. Bye bye.